I'm gonna show you exactly how to recreate Anna's elegant hairstyle so it looks just like the character with a neat, even finish on both sides. This is a full step-by-step tutorial with clear hand placement and close-up angles so you can see every move and follow along easily to get this exact result. Let's get into it. And just like that, you've turned Anna's fantasy hair into reality. There is a playlist with more character hairstyles in the description. Pick your next style there. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and tell me which character you want next. Thanks for watching.